Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and on this week's Product Peek, we're going to be showing you the Noble RD2 back lamp and brake light kit for your Gen 2 BRZ and GR86. Although this modification is mostly for aesthetics, it does offer a touch of added safety by giving off an additional brake light signal. This signal can be wired up to either the F1 brake light style or a more traditional flashing style. Also, you get your option of clear or smoke lenses to suit your style and needs. For our wire up today, we will be using the trusty Noble taillight breakout harness. This product can also be found in the description below. First, we'll start by removing the 3 plastic push pins underneath the rear of our vehicle. After we've removed the push pins, we can just pull to the back of the car to remove the plastic housing. Next, we're going to remove the 2 10mm bolts attaching the light to the bottom of the vehicle. Now we can remove the light and disconnect the factory harness. Before we install the light, we're going to go ahead and take a look at both of the unterminated wires that are on the back of this light. For our wire up, if you want the brake light to flash with the F1 style, you're going to hook our empty lead to the blue wire. Or if you want the conventional flash style lighting, you're going to connect this wire to the red wire. But for our install today, we're going to utilize the F1 flashing style light, so we are going to hook it to the blue wire. At this point, we're going to pop the trunk and remove the driver's side tail light. We'll start by removing this plastic panel and uninstalling our 3 10mm taillight bolts. Remove the taillight and disconnect the harness. With a handful of zip ties daisy-chained together, we're going to slide some behind the bumper here, and we're going to use this to fish our wiring harness up into our taillight bucket. We put our blue wire through this hole in the bumper, and then we've attached it with tape to our zip tie, and now we will feed it through the bumper. Just like that. I've taped up the blue lead, so in case we ever decide to switch this back to a more traditional style, we don't have to deal with corrosion. But now since the harness is in, we're going to find our factory reverse harness, clip this in, and then reinstall the light. With the light in place, we're going to reattach it with our 2 10mm bolts, and then finally we're going to snap our plastic housing back on, and we should be done on the bottom of the car. Now here's where our handy dandy Noble breakout harness comes into play. We will plug the breakout harness into the body harness, and then we're going to be looking for the lead that's labeled 86 brake. So this is going to function as our brake light. We'll plug our new lead into our breakout harness. And finally, we'll strip and attach our brake light wire. Lastly, we can reinstall our tail light and check for functionality. That completes our overview and install of the Noble RD2 back lamp and brake light. For more products just like this, plus thousands of others, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world. And you know what? We will catch you on the next one.